you're all doing good. Let's tour Seattle from a boat. Come join with me to enjoy the beauty of Seattle from the water.
Thank you very much.
This is gonna be fun. I'm so excited! This boat looks fabulous. I like it.
A few moments later.
I'm hungry. The boat started. Yay!
May we have your attention, please? On behalf of the new Salish Sea Tours at historic Miners Landing on Pier 57, welcome aboard! Okay, so is everyone ready to go? Fantastic. Let's go see Seattle, also known as the Emerald City.
Washington Ferry is the largest ferry system in the United States. Do you see the tall, black, shiny building? That is called Columbia Center. It is the tallest building in Washington State. Look, there are two stadiums side by side. This bay is called Elliot Bay. This is the view of the beautiful Seattle skyline. If you haven't watched the Space Needle video, check the pinned comment to watch it. It's delicious! The Elliot Bay is 7 miles long and 600 feet deep. Wow, the great wheel looks stunning. And a pleasant day. Hope you enjoyed too. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.